If you're looking to integrate GetResponse into your business, but aren't sure how to use its API effectively, you're in the right place. In this quick GetResponse API explainer, I'll show you exactly what you need to know to make the most of this tool, so stick around. There's a great tip at the end that might just change your approach. First off, let's dive straight into GetResponse's API capabilities. The GetResponse API lets you connect your account to various apps and automate tasks, everything from managing contacts to sending campaigns. It's especially useful for streamlining workflows and saving time. But how do you get started? Next thing, to use the GetResponse API, you'll need to get your API key. This is your gateway into the platform's data. You can find it under your GetResponse account settings in the API section. Just copy it and you're ready to make your first call. Whether you're building a custom integration or connecting with other software, that key is the first step. The third thing you should know is about the API documentation. GetResponse provides thorough documentation, which is essential if you're trying to get the full potential out of the API. This documentation is well organized and has examples for everything from creating a new contact to managing your email campaigns. However, even with detailed docs, some parts can feel a bit technical, so it's important to have some coding knowledge to truly maximize the API's features. Next thing, now, let's look at how to use the API to add new subscribers automatically. By using the post method in the Contacts API endpoint, you can add people to your list without lifting a finger. The data can come from forms, websites, or even other systems. But here's the catch, GetResponse's API isn't as intuitive as it could be. Sometimes the calls don't give you the data you expect, and troubleshooting can be a bit tricky. The fifth thing worth noting is the limitations. While GetResponse offers a lot of flexibility, its API doesn't always play well with other platforms, especially when compared to alternatives like MailChimp or ConvertKit. GetResponse also doesn't offer as many advanced automation features or integrations as some competitors, which might limit you if you're looking for deeper customization or more complex workflows. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're looking for something that gives you more in terms of automation and ease of use, consider checking out services like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. These platforms offer stronger integrations and a more user-friendly API that's less prone to technical hiccups. Plus, they have extended free trials, so you can test them out risk-free before deciding which one fits your needs. Before you go, remember that through the link in the description, you'll not only get the best free trial for GetResponse, but also exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. But don't just settle on GetResponse. Consider the alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific goals, especially if automation and integrations are key. Thanks for watching.